Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 won't turn on, you might be facing a common issue that can arise due to a faulty internal component or a power supply failure. If left unrepaired, this can lead to more significant problems over time, making it essential to address the issue promptly to ensure the longevity of your device. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement part compatible with the Dyson HS01, and a pair of tweezers. To begin, ensure your Dyson HS01 is unplugged. Start by carefully removing the rear cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Be gentle while prying the cover off, as there are clips that may be attached. Once the rear cover is off, you will have access to the internal components. The most common culprit for the device not turning on is the power switch assembly. To locate it, follow the wires from the power cord to the switch. Once you've identified the faulty component, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it from its mount. Take your time and ensure you do not apply too much force to avoid damaging surrounding components. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the switch, noting their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new power switch and connect it in the same manner as the old one, making sure all connections are secure. Once it's in place, screw it back into position using the same screws you removed earlier. After that, replace the rear cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert the screws at the bottom to secure everything tightly. Plug in your Dyson HS01 and turn it on. You should see the device powering up as expected. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your device is regularly cleaned and maintained. Avoid using it in extremely dusty or damp environments, as these can exacerbate internal component failures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.